All right, hi everybody, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing great. And this is Iqbal Khandaker once again back with you in another new video. And this video is gonna be much more interesting because in this video I'm gonna share some more interesting tips to learn English. So if you're new over here in my YouTube channel, then first of all subscribe my channel as well as turn on the bell notification. I'll be too much pleased to you. Let's jump to the topic. So people have frequently asked me like how I can learn English, how can I boost up my English. So for them I have a little tips. I have some tips like how they can improve their English. So right now I'm going to share those tips. So first of all, start watching videos. It may be any kind of videos, it may be any cartoon video, any Netflix video, or any other thing. So if you want to learn English, then you have to start to watch some sort of videos so that your subconscious mind can understand everything whichever the videos are broadcasting. So you have to do it if you want to learn English. Then the next one is you have to listen some podcast or some radio. Whenever you are listening those things, your subconscious mind will capture all those things, how they are forming the sentence formation, the pronunciation, the vocabulary, the structure of sentence, the grammatical issue. So everything you'll have to careful. You will be listen whenever whenever you are listening some podcast or some radio channel. So listening is the best therapy to learn English. It's always say that a good listener is a good speaker. So you have to do it. You gotta do it if you want to be a good speaker. Then you have to listen a lot. There is no any alternative way without listening. Listening is the key to learn English. And the next one is immerse yourself always in English. So how you will immerse yourself always in English? So there are a lot of ways how you can immerse yourself in English. So like you have to surround it with English. You have to create your environment in English. Suppose you are living in a family, or in your family you have your siblings, your parents, or any other neighbor. So you gotta start to speak with your siblings in English. You can share the greetings. Hi, how are you? What are you doing? Or what are you doing going today? What's your plan today? Will you be my friend to go in somewhere today? Like you gotta make some sort of conversation to your siblings or parents or any other neighbor or with your friends. As well as you have to speak. You can speak in online in social media, like create some messenger groups and choose your friends who is highly interested to speak English. Then start to speak at least every day, 15 or 20 minutes. Start speaking with your friends or with any strangers. It's always good to speak with strangers because it's interesting to speak with strangers. So you gotta do it. You have to watch some sort of cartoon videos or any types of videos, whatever you are enjoying to watch. You have to do it. Suppose one thing bear in mind, like English is always an enjoying thing. If you do not enjoy it, then you never can learn, you never can achieve this language. So you have to bear in mind that you are enjoying this learning method, you are enjoying to speak English. You have to mind it. Then the listening, you have to listen whatever you are you choose most, you choose best. You have to listen those things, those types of podcast, those types of radio station, and immerse yourself in English. You have to choose your good friends. Remember one thing, that there are always someone who will demotivate you, who will down you. So simply just ignore them, don't follow them, because if you want to learn English, you have to be courageous. But the problem is our environment doesn't suit to learn English. That's the barrier, that's the distraction So you have to throw it. You have to throw it in a dust, in a jungle. Then you have to go ahead with your courageous mind. Like, I'm dedicated, I'm passionate, I'm confident to learn English. I'm powerful, I'm stronger to learn English. So this should be your moral whenever you are going to learn English. All right, if you follow this all strategy for 6 months, I do believe that you'll be a good speaker. You'll have a good command in English. So just do it. Just do practice for 6 months. Keep consistency. Keep passionate. You'll be a great speaker if you just do it frequently, every day with your passionate mind. You will have a good command in your English language. So follow those strategy. Start watching. Start listening. Start have some conversation with your friends. Immerse yourself in English. So that is it for this video. Hope you people have enjoyed this video. If you're new over here, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also be benefited from this video. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, stay best, stay motivated, spread positivity. Bye.